When we moved into the house, the kitchen was the most outdated part, and it was really time to bring it into alignment with the rest of the house. So it was the right time to do a full renovation. When we decided to go with the kitchen renovation, I was just imagining places I'd seen around where I could go have a look at a showroom, and I remembered Kitchen Connection was just up the road in Ashmore. It was one of our first stops, and Andreas was in that day. He went out of his way the day that we went in to show us every aspect of what was new in the market, of what Kitchen Connection could do, and his service was just incredible. Then we had Tom, the designer, come around, and again, his experience and knowledge was amazing. He had a lot of ideas that I hadn't thought of bits and pieces that I wanted to incorporate. Tom was able to work with those and put together a design which really functioned for our family. The main brief for me was give me more pantry space. Previously, we had very minimal cupboards. That was the main thing. I also wanted more bench space. Other than that, I was pretty sort of open to the plan as I went along. The aspect that I enjoyed the most in the renovation was, I think, just seeing all the bits and pieces come together. You have an idea in your mind of what it's going to look like, but just seeing it piece by piece get built was a lot of fun. I love most the pantry space and also the floor-to-ceiling cabinets. It gave much more of an effect than I even could have imagined. So they're definitely my favourite aspects of the kitchen. Our experience with Kitchen Connection was very positive. We had amazing customer service from the very start. The experience was pretty much as stress-free as a renovation can be. I would definitely recommend Kitchen Connection to everybody. I would return as a customer myself, so I would highly recommend them.